Cardiologist warning. The first 30 seconds after waking could save your life. After 60. Poor sleep alone won't kill you. But what you do in the first 30 seconds after waking up just might. There is one simple morning habit that millions of people over 60 do every single day without even thinking. And new research suggests it may increase your risk of a fatal heart event by up to 40%. Not smoking, not diet, not lack of exercise. Something you do before your feet even touch the floor. And the most dangerous part, no one is warning you about it. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, I'll show you a simple, completely free habit backed by research that can reduce early morning cardiac risk by up to 62%, and almost nobody is doing it. Welcome to Psych with Dr. Noor, where we don't just talk about health, we expose the hidden habits that quietly destroy it. Let's begin. The hidden danger window. Every morning between 4 a.m. and noon, your body goes through a powerful biological shift. Blood pressure rises sharply, heart rate increases, blood becomes thicker and more prone to clotting. Stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline surge. This is called the morning cardiovascular surge. It's natural, but after 60, it becomes dangerous. Your blood vessels are less flexible, your nervous system responds slower, your blood clots more easily, and suddenly, what used to be harmless becomes a risk window. That's why most heart attacks and strokes happen in the morning, not because of breakfast, not because of medication, but because of how you wake up. The 7 dangerous morning mistakes. Let's go from subtle to life-threatening. Number 7. Checking your phone immediately. The moment you wake up and grab your phone, you flood your brain with stimulation, messages, news, stress, information overload. Your cortisol spikes even higher. Your blood pressure rises and stays elevated for nearly an hour. Even good news triggers this response. Fix. No phone for the first 2 minutes. Give your heart time to stabilize. Number 6. Coffee before water. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Your blood is already thicker. Then you drink coffee, which makes it worse. Thicker blood equals harder to pump, equals higher risk. Fix. Before anything else, drink 1 full glass of water, room temperature. This alone can change your entire morning physiology. 5. Standing up too fast. This is one of the most dangerous and most ignored. When you jump out of bed, your blood pressure drops suddenly. Your brain doesn't get enough blood. That dizziness, that's your body struggling. In older adults, this can trigger serious cardiac stress. Fix. 3-step rule. 1. Stay lying for 30 seconds. 2. Sit up slowly. Wait 30 seconds. 3. Stand up gently. Simple, powerful, life-saving. Number 4. Skipping breakfast or eating sugar first. Your body wakes up unstable. Skipping food increases stress hormones. Eating sugar causes spikes and crashes. Both stress your heart. Fix. Eat within 1 hour. Protein plus healthy fats plus fiber. Example: eggs, yogurt, nuts, oats, berries. Number 3. Intense exercise. Too early morning workouts aren't the problem. Intensity is. Your heart is already under stress. And then you push it hard? That's like flooring the gas in a cold engine. Fix. Morning equals gentle movement. Save intense workouts for later in the day. Number 2. Emotional stress. Immediately after waking. This one is silent but deadly. You wake up and instantly start worrying. Bills, family, health, problems. That emotional spike doubles your cortisol levels. Over time, it damages your arteries and heart rhythm. Fix. Create a 2-minute calm buffer. Try this. Breathe in 4 seconds, hold 2 seconds, exhale 6 seconds, repeat 4 times. This activates your body's calming system instantly. Number 1. The most dangerous mistake. No transition. Going from sleep to full activity instantly. That's the real problem. Your heart cannot go from 0 to 100 in seconds, especially after 60. And doing this every day quietly builds damage. The 3-minute morning protocol. Life-saving habit. Here's what to do starting tomorrow. Step 1. Stay still for 30 seconds. Step 2. Do slow breathing. 4-2-6 pattern. Step 3. Sit up slowly and pause. Step 4. Drink water. Step 5. Stand gently. Step 6. Move slowly for 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. Less than 3 minutes. But it could reduce your risk of a heart event by over 60%. Final message. You don't need expensive treatments. You don't need drastic changes. You just need to stop rushing your mornings. Your heart has been working for you for decades. Give it 3 minutes of respect. If this opened your eyes, subscribe to Psych with Dr. Noor for more life-saving insights. And tell me in the comments, which morning mistake are you making? Because awareness is the first step to survival.